reCAPTCHA Enterprise helps protect your website from fraudulent activity, spam, and abuse. reCAPTCHA Enterprise helps protect your website by stopping malicious actions, such as fraudulent transactions and false posts, while allowing legitimate users to interact with your website and without interruption. reCAPTCHA has been defending millions of sites for almost a decade, and the reCAPTCHA Enterprise service builds on this technology with capabilities such as two-factor authentication and mobile support designed specifically for enterprise security concerns. There are several threats that can target your web applications as a result of malicious web automation. Credential stuffing is one of them, and we'll take a look at how reCAPTCHA Enterprise can stop credential stuffing. Credential stuffing is when there are mass login attempts used to verify the validity of stolen username and password pairs. If we go to the reCAPTCHA Enterprise admin portal in Google Cloud Platform, we are able to see the response of a legitimate action from a real user due to a couple of key metrics. Number of requests is a simple count of how many assessments have been made with a particular reCAPTCHA key. Every time the user hits a page that the customer has instrumented, the count should go up by 1. These assessments are scored, and we give 3 color-coded buckets to help visualize this: low risk, medium risk, high risk. Score distribution returns a score based on interactions with your websites, with 1.0 being a likely good interaction and 0.0 being a likely abusive action. reCAPTCHA Enterprise calculates this risk score by using machine learning models based on user behavior patterns. Top 10 actions is a view of the number of requests, but instead of separated by date, they're separated by action. Actions are defined by the user when they instrument their site, particularly to be able to analyze this data separately from other actions. For example, you might want to tell apart the traffic from the home page rather than the payment page. Top 10 risky actions is when actions are being sorted by percentage of risky traffic. Congratulations! You successfully used reCAPTCHA Enterprise to help protect your business from credential stuffing and other web-based attacks. Visit reCAPTCHA Enterprise Google Cloud to get started with reCAPTCHA Enterprise.